We are reviewing today the high quality UHF wireless microphone. Now this is a headset that you would wear, and it would be ideal for loudspeaker type situations. So maybe if you're leading a class, or if you're a speaker for a presentation, or something of that nature where you need your hands free to speak, but you also want your voice broadcast wirelessly, this would be a great product. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate today as I use it for this video, and so you can see how it sounds. And I will be connecting it to my DSLR camera. Now, straight up out of the box, you are going to get all your components separate, and there's actually only one piece of assembly that needs to be done, and that's with these pieces here. You've got a female section and a male section. You just want to line these two up, snap it into place, and there you go. Now, with the mouthpiece, you can actually adjust it. This is a very flexible piece here, so you can adjust it pretty much anywhere you need to go. Now this is cool about the double charging cords. You actually can charge both of these objects at the same time through one source for your USB. Just match these up. And then this part would just go in the USB port of whatever your power source is, whether it be your laptop computer, power bank, if you have an adapter so you can plug it into the wall, whatever it may be for you. Very easy to charge these. So to pair these two devices up, it's also very simple as well. So the controls are easy, on and off. That's all you have to worry about on the transmitter. On and off is all you have to worry about on the receiver. You just turn them both on. The green light will indicate that you have a good pair. If that green light was flashing, then you would not have a good pair, and that could mean several different things. It probably just means that you need to charge your batteries, or maybe you didn't turn something on. Now, depending on what you are going to be using to broadcast your content with will determine what jack you need to use. Now, this is a 3.5 millimeter jack. This is pretty much the same size as a standard headphone jack, and that would fit in a lot of your smaller devices. I actually use that one directly in my DSLR camera. But say you're using maybe a larger piece, maybe an amplifier or a larger stereo system or something of that nature, you might need to actually use a 6.5 millimeter adapter that just plugs right on the end. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate today as I use it for this video, and I will be connecting it to my DSLR camera. I like to start with this off. I'm going to go ahead and plug it into my microphone port. Okay, got that plugged in there. This turns on. That turns on. Green light indicates we're connected. So that's how I connected it to my camera. Now let's see how it sounds on my Nikon D750. Hey, I want to thank you for watching this video. I'm hoping that the information that you got here and just seeing how it goes together and pairs up, hopefully it lets you know if it's the right microphone for you. I loved how easy this was to assemble. It took me about 3 seconds. I love the fact that it didn't take much to pair it up. All you had to do is basically turn the two units on and you were paired up. There wasn't any complicated syncing mode to go into. So I was able to take this right out of the box and use it right away. And for a budget-friendly photographer like myself, this was a good buy for me.